This is our cabin for tonight here in Eidfjord.
Wow!
Wow!
Let's go have some food!
Let's have some food.
I'm
Food.
hungry!
This is our cabin. Bekkebu. Just of the...
Então banheiro. Eu e a Annalise vamos dormir nesse. Eu vou em cima. Ah, Annalise, lembra que é toda vez você que vai em cima? Dessa vez deixa. Vale sim, você foi. Mas
Eu acho que vocês vão querer dormir aqui, ó. Eu acho que vocês deveriam dormir aqui.
Lixo. Eu vou dormir aqui. 5 bed. No, 4 bed here. Nossa,
Ai,
here has 2 and here has 1.
there's internet.
This is the real cabin, people.
Quanto custou essa cabine aqui? 260 euros, né? Pra todo mundo. 260 euros pra todo mundo. Mas é muito remoto aqui, muito interessante, né? É uma experiência para as crianças, né? Que horas são, Pi?
8h30. Hoje o sol vai se pôr 7 minutos antes das 11.
Interessante é isso que os noruegueses fazem, né? Eles curtem fazer isso. O Martin já veio aqui várias vezes. Fica nisso aqui.
E a cabana lá dentro é super especial, assim. É o verdadeira experiência norueguesa.
Three goats. 3 geese. 1 geese that cannot go up. One of the geese just went there. Geese is pig in Norwegian language. Alice is going to show me the reindeer poo. Cocô de rena?
Gringos!
Look.
Gringos!
Gringo, stupid gringo. Just like when he comes to Brazil and he goes like, oh, look at the Christ, look at Rio. No, look at the capybara.
Sometimes I think, I said that the first time I saw the capybara.
Oh yeah, no, it's nice to see the capybara. I'm joking.
Nice.
It's just like nice to see I've never seen a poo.
Never?
Reindeer poo, no?
But this one is dry though. This is from the winter.
I don't want the moist. No, I'm okay with that.
It's a bit sad that we're not here like in the autumn, because then it's going to be lot of berries here.
Really?
Yeah, look around.
Yeah. No, I don't want to go there.
I don't want to go there.
I don't want to go there.
Herregud.
Very good. Look at the cabin there.
And you can hear the sound of the waterfall. Can you hear it?
Yes. Can we walk to the waterfall?
From here?
Yeah.
Yeah, see.
Let's go.
It's going to take a while with you then.
Fuck yourself then. It's gonna take less than you think.
Papa
Yeah?
and Uncle Martin, do you want to play with us?
Play what?
A game, and you collect flowers.
Just for fun, as a gift from Norway. They're not gonna take all the flowers, don't worry.
Yeah. All the flowers not.
No, he doesn't want to play.
It's a way to play.
I want to play.
No, he goes and help you with that.
Ok, toma.
No, I don't want to play.
Segura.
More.
Good morning. Today's Sunday. We're going to watch a Viking play here in Eidfjord. Let's see what's gonna be like.
Tonight, me and Annalise lost my active and Annalise. And tonight, one troll get to tip and give for me and Annalise 100 Norwegian krona.
Oh, what a nice throw, eh?
One little plant gonna put it here.
Very nice to remember that, eh?
You remember? Da-na-na.
Okay, here we are. So where we are, Maria Lara? It's a little bit early now, 9 o'clock. What are we going to do now?
In the floor, footsteps of the Vikings.
We're gonna see the Vikings today.
Yeah.
Some history, sorry, some food, taste, metal.
I wanna put it.
Here there is a hotel called Viking something. I don't know the price, but it might be. And I paid here, it's written that I could have paid for 150 Norwegian per family, but I paid a little bit more, so we're going back there to get the money back. Here, guided tour in the Viking exhibition. So in the footsteps of the Viking. Hello.
English is okay? I hope?
English, yes.
I have some introduction for you.
All right.
So I think in South America, the Vikings don't stop.
They didn't get there now.
But
Oh.
America, yes. I think it was Norwegians because these are the explorers. These are the people going for adventures. The Norwegian.
Okay.
The Swedish and the Finnish and the Danish are mostly going to the east. Russia, Ukraine, but Norway was like, we want to see what's there on the other side of the ocean. Good morning first.
Good morning.
My name is Claudia. There's a house, 5,000 years old found. So it's the oldest house in whole of Norway.
Oh.
They found in Eidfjord.
Wow.
So then you can imagine people lived here, but you on the end of the fjord. Why? Because it's a power point here. This is a way to the east and the south and the north. Up to the mountain trade, south and east and north. This is why we have a really important place. When we go in now, it's dark. It's not a Viking house, but inside we want to give you a little bit illusion of it. I will show you things. Everything is allowed to touch and to prove and make pictures. And you will make fire, I hope. But the cooking process.
Oh.
So because we have and this pot as well. So we have a fireplace outside, and we make a hole in the earth, or you can have meat. And then you don't need more than this. And you see the shape of the eggs. This is for war, because when I'm an enemy, I can take the shield down, and then I can hit you. This is the next you need. You had a helmet to protect you, because here you have to protect your face. And now we are finished.
Now
You
you're
don't
ready.
need more.
Now you're ready for war. Yes. The warrior is.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh my.
No wait.
And then you can walk all the way in the valley, past that bridge.
Where
go
Kuwait is,
here.
Mama?
So me and Irene were standing there, and then it get wet like one.
Where Kuwait is?
What's the name of this?
Vøringsfossen,
It's the
tallest waterfall in Norway.
Norway.
A pro tip for you that's watching this one: you can actually walk into the waterfall there, but it's not for amateurs.
beautiful. So you walk from there, like you have to go that bridge and all over here.
Yeah.
Ah, it's okay. Not bad. No, it's beautiful.
But it's quite hard in the rocks in the back there. But it's not hard, you know. But it's convenient if you're
But
not
where do you have to come from?
down in the valley. Further
I
back.
go there.
Yeah,
the
it's
back.
quite, takes 1 hour.
Why do they have that bridge then?
Why?
Yeah, like little bridge there.
Well, because it's the old road right there.
Ah,
Part of that as well. And actually
okay.
down here it was a tourist hut as well.
Ah, you could go there. Ah, okay.
Like in old days.
I see. Eu avisei. Mas, Juliana, pelo amor de Deus. That was like really my dialect. That was my dialect. Pelo amor de Deus. Ok, a maior cachoeira da Noruega. Você pode vir visitar, não tem custo algum. E a gente veio numa outra parte aqui que você pode chegar bem no topo da cachoeira, mas não dá pra ver muito bem a cachoeira. Mas tem outras cachoeiras ali bonitas pra ver. É isso, mas tem bastante hiking aqui, você pode dar uma olhada, pode andar por aí.
And the best time of the year to come to this river, to the waterfall, is actually in late June, because then this waterfall has a dam, and normally the year round it's less water in the river, but now in June and July they open it up so you get a real feeling of the waterfall.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Welcome to the travel blog feeling now in Italy.